Bonding metal drains in sinks and tubs to the electrical system has safety benefits. If an appliance or electrical device falls into the water, the conductive drain would complete the electrical circuit, allowing the ground fault circuit interrupter to detect the fault and trip promptly, reducing the risk of electrocution. However, there are practical considerations to implementing this requirement. Homes and buildings must have proper grounding systems and ground fault circuit interrupter protection to make this feature effective. The drain and bonding lug must be made of corrosion-resistant materials to withstand constant exposure to water and cleaning agents. Bonding lugs and connections must be regularly inspected and maintained to ensure proper functionality. Currently, the National Electrical Code does not require bonding of metal drains in sinks and tubs. However, some local building codes or jurisdictions may have specific requirements. While bonding metal drains can enhance electrical safety, it is not a universal or practical solution for all situations. Factors such as the existing electrical infrastructure, building code requirements, and cost-benefit analysis should be considered. Alternative measures to improve electrical safety in bathrooms include ground fault circuit interrupter protection, where all electrical outlets and switches in bathrooms must be ground fault circuit interrupter protected. Bathtubs and showers should have non-conductive surfaces to reduce the risk of electrical accidents. It's important to encourage the safe use of hairdryers and other electrical devices away from water sources. In conclusion, bonding metal drains in sinks and tubs can provide an additional layer of electrical safety, but requires careful consideration of feasibility and implementation. Alternative measures should also be explored to ensure a comprehensive approach to electrical safety in bathrooms. Firstly, consider the existing electrical infrastructure. Secondly, review building code requirements. Thirdly, analyze the cost-benefit ratio. These steps help determine if bonding metal drains is a viable solution.